Let's do this! First, we'll start by using our oil-based primer and making sure that our skin is properly hydrated and not too oily. And it's important so that the makeup sticks well on the skin. Now I'm going to use glitter cream eye shade on my eyelid. It's in a light blue shade. So basically we are going to use a variety of cream eye shades and glitter eye shades. And now I'm using a lilac shade on my cheekbones, and the trick here is to go lightly and then you can use double coat based on your skin tone. As I'm brown, so sometimes I have to use double coat and sometimes I don't. And here you can see I'm using a double coat of this shade. So the makeup is fairly simple, but there's a trick in it that you have to use which shade where and in how much quantity. So again, you have to blend the first layer really well. Now I'm using this shade on my chin, and now I'm using a silver shade and cream on my chin. Again, using the same shade on the outer edges of my nose and on my neck. And you can see that I'm using a very little amount of the cream shade, because if you use a lot of it, then it's going to make your skin very oily. And she had a golden forehead, and that looks so beautiful. So I'm going to use a golden shade on my forehead, and here I'm using a powder shade, and I'm blending this very well. And I'm going to use another coat of it because I thought that it was not popping, and it's a very creative style of makeup, as you can see here, and you can definitely use it in one of your Halloween costumes, especially if you want to look like a intergalactic species. And I really like it. The main theme of this makeup is like purplish pink and angelic sort of a makeup, but they have used a contrast on the forehead. Now I'm using a purple shade on the neck, and it's basically the last layer. And in case you haven't noticed, I have just used purple shade on the chest and very little on the neck. And yeah, it's different from how I have done my face makeup, where the last layer is of purple. Now I am making sure that the areas on the outer part of the nose, they pop out more, so I have used a silver shade and I'm blending it with the lilac, and now you can see how beautiful my skin looks. Again, the idea is to make the lips very plain, and that's it. That's the makeup. You don't need any mascara, you don't need any eyeliner, just these beautiful shades and you are good to go. And do let me know in the comment section that how I've done it. So this is a very simple technique, and if you really like this, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and yeah, if you want to know more, go to my website ashadvox.com. Take care of yourself. I love you guys, and ciao.